Hello kids. Black color. It's a dark black color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Heart. Heart. Arrow. Arrow, oval, oval, rhombus, rhombus, cross, cross, I, pie. Let's learn some colors: red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, olive green color, olive green color, Persian blue color, Persian blue color, pastel yellow color, pastel yellow color, green gray color, green gray color, yellow green color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, deep yellow color. Now learn this shape: heart, arrow, oval, rhombus, cross, pie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.